Dark history and unsolved mysteries are absolutely exploding on YouTube and TikTok right now. These cinematic narrative breakdowns are pulling in millions of views because they turn dry history into a gritty visual experience. In this tutorial, you're going to see exactly how to build these atmospheric stories from scratch using a specialized AI workflow. First, you need to open the Chronicles of the Dark Throne GPT link I left in the description for you. This opens directly inside ChatGPT. Click on the Start Chat button to begin. Now you need to give it a subject. For this example, type in the reign of Caligula and hit enter. The GPT is now researching the most controversial and grim details of his life. It will generate a 5-scene chronological breakdown designed for maximum suspense. You will see 5 numbered headers. Each one contains a shocking historical detail and a ready-to-use image prompt inside a grey code block. Look at the top right corner of the first code block and click the copy button. This grabs the hyper-realistic prompt for your first scene. Scroll down to the second scene and do the same thing. Click copy on that code block. Repeat this for all 5 scenes until you have every prompt saved. If you want a full script for the narration, just write the voiceover script into the chat and it will generate the dramatic dialogue for you. Now that you have your prompts, open Google Flow. Click on the button that says Create New Image. Insert the reference image. You can download it from the link in the description. This is a high-fidelity character reference. Every time you generate an image in Google Flow, you can upload this reference image alongside your prompt. This ensures your historical figure looks exactly the same in every single shot. Next, you will see a long text field at the very top of the interface. Paste your first prompt right into that box. Now look for the Model Selector menu on the right side. Click it and select Imogen 4. This specific model is the best at handling the dark, gritty, and period-accurate details we need for this niche. Set your aspect ratio to 9:16 if you are making a short, or 16:9 for a standard cinematic video. Change the quality setting to high and hit the Generate button. While the AI works on that first image, clear the text field. Paste your second prompt from the GPT. Hit Generate again. Do this for all 5 scenes from your story. Once the images appear, click the download icon on each one to save them to your computer. Now we need to bring these still images to life, so go to FlexClip. Click on the Image to Video tool in the sidebar. Upload your first historical scene image. Look for the model selection drop-down and choose Kling Standard 2.6. This model provides the most stable character movement and realistic lighting transitions. In the motion prompt box, type a simple instruction like slow cinematic zoom into the eyes or flickering torchlight shadows. Click Generate and wait for the render to finish. Now repeat this for your other 4 images. Download all 5 video clips once they are ready. Now, if you want to skip all this manual copying and pasting, there is a much faster way to scale your channel. We have put together a complete automation system inside our school community. Click the link in the description to join the community and go to the Dark History lesson. You will find a library of pre-made prompts ready to go. Grab those prompts and open our custom Airtable template. Click the duplicate button to add the template to your own Airtable workspace. Type your episode idea into the primary column. Now just click the Run Automation button at the top of the grid. The system works in the background to generate your narrative, create the images, and organize your files automatically. This turns hours of work into a few seconds of clicking. Now your video needs a dark, suspenseful atmosphere, so go to Artlist. In the search bar, type in Cinematic Dark, Ambient, or Gritty Industrial Tension. Listen through the tracks and find one that feels heavy and mysterious. Click Download to save the music. While you are still in Artlist, click over to the Sound Effects tab. Search for things like heavy stone sliding, sword clinking, or deep cinematic impacts. Download a few of these to layer into your edit later. For the actual storytelling, go to ElevenLabs to generate your narration. Paste the script that the GPT wrote for you into the text box. Open the voice library and look for a voice that sounds gravelly, dramatic, and deep. Select the voice and hit Generate. Download the audio file once it finishes rendering. Now it is time to put everything together, so open FlexClip again. Click on the Create Video button and choose your project size. Import your 5 video clips, your ElevenLabs narration, and your Artlist music and effects. Drag your video clips onto the timeline in chronological order. Place the voiceover track directly underneath the video. Line up the timing so the visuals match the specific historical details being spoken. Drop your music track onto the 3rd layer. Lower the music volume to about 20% so it doesn't drown out the narrator. Drag your sound effects onto the transitions between scenes to add impact. Trim the ends of the clips so there is no dead space. Once it looks perfect, click the Export button at the top right. To get the most views, you need to post consistently. You can upload manually, but using a scheduler is much more efficient. If you want a simple setup, use Metricool to link your accounts and schedule your posts. If you want more control, use Vista Social. Upload your video, write your caption, and schedule it to go live on YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram all at once. This lets you batch a whole week of content in one sitting. Remember, the custom GPT and the full Airtable automation are waiting for you in the Skool community. The link is right there in the description.